Welcome to the Restoration Revolution podcast, where we help restore hope and put your family on the road to recovery, one episode at a time. Here's your host and owner of Hazard Clean Restoration, Chad Mallonee.
Dive into the critical importance of hiring professional for biohazardous situation with our upcoming interview featuring the owner of Hazard Clean Restoration. Welcome back, everyone. This is Garfield Bowen, co-host / producer, back in the studio with Chad Mallonee. Chad, how you doing today?
I'm doing great, Garfield. Glad to be here.
So, Chad, why is it important to hire a professional for biohazardous situations?
You know, it's a great question. Honestly, over the last 20 years, the number of unintended deaths in homes has increased dramatically. And what I mean by that is it used to be most people passed away in the hospitals. Well, that's actually changed now. And most people are passing away in their homes. There's a lot of reasons for that. It's more comfortable and there's a variety of reasons for it. But it creates a health problem for families if someone passes away and the family's not there and unaware of the situation or anything. It really does create a hazard at that point. And there's a lot of things going on. One, it's an emotional nightmare. There's health risks and technical challenges to cleaning up. Someone who passes away or an unintended death is what we call them. And, there's decomposition, there's microbials, there's odors. And so there's a lot that needs to be addressed. And it's important. I mean, the CDC recommends that, that families hire a professional company to come in and really, clean up the biohazard and, bring everything back to where it was, in the prior state.
I can imagine the emotions involved in this. I lost my older sister and my father, and I couldn't imagine it. I mean, you're walking into these situations. That must be really tough, huh?
Yeah, and if you think for the family, once you see an image, it's hard to get it out of your head, and one. The family really having to not only see it, but then clean it up emotionally, that can really stay with someone. And two, there's a lot of health risks, with cleaning up. There's all kinds of pathogens. There's all kinds, putting the family members at risk for, hepatitis, other viruses and everything else. And, and then even if you clean it up, really the challenges don't end there of just cleaning up the initial what you see. The odor can be very complex. It requires different specialized equipment, techniques, and expertise. Because once you remove some of the source of where the odors is coming from, the decomposition process is really releases a variety of different types of gases, but they're complex. They're very strong odors, and they can linger. And so it is important to get everything back as it was, to hire a professional biohazard or restoration companies such as Hazard Clean.
So Lysol alone is not going to do it, huh?
No, unfortunately not.
Listen, love it. You have a wonderful rest of the day. We'll see you in the next episode.
All right, thanks. Bye, Garfield.
Thanks for listening to the Restoration Revolution podcast, where recovery starts here. Let us help put your family on the road to recovery. Go to hazardclean.net or call 772-259-5018. That's 772-259-5018.